Hey Code Crushers, in this video I will show you how to download and install Ubuntu 20, which is the latest version you can currently install into your Windows operating system using VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a program that virtualizes your computer, allowing you to create virtual machines and run different operating systems without affecting your main system. This method allows you to use Ubuntu without damaging your current operating system. To start, we need to download two things, VirtualBox and Ubuntu. First, download VirtualBox from the provided link in the description. You will find versions for Windows, Mac OS Intel and M1 M2 chips. For this tutorial, I will download it for Windows. Once downloading, proceed with the installation. I already have it installed. Next, download Ubuntu from the link provided. There you can choose between the latest version or the long-term support LTS version, which is smaller and faster to download. I will download version 22.10 today. After downloading, we are ready to move to the installation. Once VirtualBox is installed, open it and click on New to create virtual machine. Name it Ubuntu. Select Linux and then Ubuntu 64-bit. Select next and choose the amount of RAM you want to allocate. I suggest 8 GB. Click next again and select create virtual hard disk now. Click create and choose the default disk image type. Then click next. Choose how much space to allocate for virtual machine storage. I selected 50 GB and click create. After creating the virtual machine, go to settings to adjust further configurations. In this system tab, you can edit memory and processors. I recommend choosing as many processors as your computer allows to make the virtual machine faster. Then go to display and set the video memory to 120 MB. In storage, click the empty disk icon. Select the ISO file for Ubuntu and click OK. Now start the virtual machine by clicking start. The installation process for Ubuntu will begin. Select the language you want to use and click Install Ubuntu. Choose your keyboard layout and proceed for installation type. I recommend choosing normal installation unless you prefer a minimal setup. After continuing, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. This will only affect the virtual machine's disk. Confirm and continue. Then select your location and enter your user details, name, password, etc. Once Ubuntu is installed, the system will prompt you to restart. Click Restart Now. If you see the message asking to remove the installation medium, press Enter. Upon restarting, log in using the username and password you create and you will enter Ubuntu running inside your Windows computer. If the display resolution is not optimal, go to Devices in the VirtualBox menu and click Insert Guest Additions CD image. Click Insert Guest Addition CD image. Only the disk is inserted into the virtual machine. Open the terminal and run the necessary commands to install additional modules for better resolution. After that, restart the virtual machine again and the resolution will be fixed, allowing you to use Ubuntu in full screen mode. In conclusion, you now have Ubuntu 20 running in your Windows machine via VirtualBox. This is a great solution for running Ubuntu for development purpose and other tasks without affecting your main operating system. Congrats! You have successfully installed Ubuntu on your VirtualBox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Code Crushers for more tech tutorials and programming tips. Got any questions or need help? drop them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.